Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. So with that being said, you all, I have a unboxing. So if you want to see what's here in this small little box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. You need to click on my subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, we're gonna jump straight into this here unboxing. Here's the box. I did get it yesterday. I already opened it because I wanted to check it, make sure everything was everything yesterday. But look, real quick, I missed the UPS guy, and I was just like, okay, whatever. I missed him. He has to come today, which is Thursday, and drop off something I ordered from Macy's. So I was like, okay, I'm not going to trip. Whatever, it is what it is. But I really wanted the box because I got my nails done yesterday, and that's where I was at. And I was actually down the street from my apartment. I could have ran to the apartment, but I was in the middle of getting my nails done. I couldn't tap on my video my ring bell because I could have told him, you know, my name, and he could have left it. Well, I was going to Sam's Club. I was on my way to Sam's Club. No, I was on my way to Target, and I do have a Target haul. I'm gonna share that in the vlog. Lo and behold, I saw a UPS truck. This the same guy. He wasn't in the truck, and he walks up, and I'm like, I said, that is him. I was like, excuse me, can I just left my apartment not too long ago, and I gave him my address, and I was like, can I get my box now? He was like, no, you gotta wait till tomorrow. So I was like, because he's not my normal UPS guy, maybe he's the new one. So I was just like, okay. He was like, psych, no, I'm only playing. I was like, look I got work. Like, I was supposed to get it today, but you know, I happened to catch him, and I wasn't looking for him this time because once your package is delivered or attempt to deliver, they take away to follow my package thing. So I wasn't able to track him anymore, and I just so happened to run into him around the corner. So with that being said, you all, here is the unboxing. That's why it's open, because I was like, of course I couldn't wait, because see where it came from, you will understand why I couldn't wait. And to do this unboxing yesterday because I had 2 days off. So I was like, okay, since I'm off for 2 days, I was off Wednesday and Thursday, and I wanted to film on Wednesday and relax on Thursday, edit, do whatever I need to do. But it didn't work out like that, but it don't matter. So, yes. Do y'all see? Do y'all see? Yes. And let me tell you, this is another hard to find item. Like, I had such a hard time looking for this particular item, because as y'all know, I have been downsizing to smaller bags. I have purchased a few small bags, so this item is going to fit perfectly in those small bags that I have. You may not see a lot of big bag purchases on this channel, but you will be seeing a lot of SLGs between Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and maybe I was thinking of dipping and dabbing into Dior and maybe Chanel, but I'm just having fun, you all. So, you know. So, yeah, like I said, here is all the information, receipt and stuff, and the same old same. And here is my samples. I pronounced the name, so I'm not even going to try. Everything was wrapped really pretty. So like I said, it is a small leather good, and they don't write nothing in these particular cards, but if you're looking to give this as a gift, you can put something, you can write something in it yourself. So y'all never guess, so I'm not even going to say any guesses, because y'all will never guess this, because I don't know why I purchased this item before. I don't know. Send help box. Never get tired of unboxing Louis Vuitton, you all. For the item, it's just so cute how they have the dust bags to match the little SLGs. Got herself, I think this is from the men's collection, you all. Let me see, what this is called. Pochette wallet. Pochette wallet. I don't know the exact name, but I will leave it across the screen or link it down below. I think this is a men's wallet. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think this is a men's wallet. And the crazy thing is in this, because like I said before, at my particular Sephora, them women come in here with Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Goyard, I think Goyard, there with them luxury bags. And this guy came into the store with something like this, but he had the one with the blue and the graphic designs on the front. And I was like, oh, that is so cute. Like, I'm just that person that'll compliment you if you have nice shoes on, nice bag, hair, dress, whatever. That's just me. You want to see, so I started looking at it. And when I tell you, they are so nice, because before I got my graceful, I saw a lady with a graceful, and we got to talking, and she was another one who said, you want to try it on and see how it fit and stuff like that. And he was really, really nice. He let me see the wallet. I just opened it or whatever, because I didn't want to be rude and be like, no, it's okay. So yeah, sure, let me see. So it looked just like this, but it was just the blue with the graphic, like a paint thing on the front, like a graphic design. Really nice. And he also had the men's crossbody bag. So when I saw his, I was like, okay, now I want it. Started looking online, and he did say the one he got is hard to get. So I was like, it didn't matter to me if it had the graphic design on it or not. I mean, they were a little more pricey for those particular ones. So I just started looking at whatever I could find popping up available, because the ones that I was looking at, like the ones again with the graphic designs and the pretty colors, they were all sold out, and I wasn't going to drive myself crazy with this. That's what made me start looking at it again. And then of course I started watching YouTube videos on this. And then I saw different people review this. I saw a lot of women wear this, because I want to say this is a men's wallet. Okay, let me get it home and let's see. Because like I said, looking at his, I was already in love. This home, I was like, I did peek in it. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to say this is not a true unboxing. I did peek. Cards in it and everything. I was like, oh my gosh, I am so in love. I cannot wait to do the unboxing with you all. Get a item. I usually do a show unboxing, but this time I couldn't wait, you all. So I did peek. I did put my cards in. So with that being said, you all, this here is a keeper. I love it. I love it. I love it. 3 card slots here. You have a card slot. I think this is one here, and in the back you'll have room in the back for more cards. And then you also have like a slot here. This you can fit like multiple cards in the back, and I am going to show you how it looks with stuff inside of it. So going to show how it fits in smaller bags. So I have my what is it? I have my wallet. Do is I'm gonna grab some cards out of here, place my cards, and then show you, because I don't want to show something by mistake. Started off with the card slots here. So as you can see, you can fit 3. I think I would ever double these here card slots, because right now they feel a little tight. So I wouldn't recommend you doubling these here particular card slots, but again, to each his own. 5 credit cards and 1 gift card. So now I'm gonna see how I'm going to place everything in here. A total of 3 cards here. The 3 cards, I'm gonna place them here. So as you can see, the 3 cards can fit here. Now these here slots, you can put more than 1 card, of course, but these here pocket slots, again, I would not overstuff them. Target and my driver's license, and place that here in the back. Everything fits perfectly in here. The other set of cards on this side, only because I already have cards here. I was thinking of putting my driver's license here, but then I was like, I don't think that probably would be a good idea. I know people can like scan. I don't know, y'all, but I just don't think it would be a good idea. So I'll just put like maybe gift cards back here. Cards like that. So I don't know what I may put back here. Maybe coupons. Like I do get Bath and Body Works coupons, so I may throw that in here. Or yeah, I can put my gate card in here. Let me try that. But that's what I would put back here. I would put my gate card, because when I, like I said, when I pull up to the gate, I just tap it and it opens. Like, I don't have to pull this out every time, which is a good thing, because at first that's what I was doing. I didn't even know that it can work through a wallet, because my gate card fits in here and I don't even have to take it out. I just tap the pad and it opens, so I never take it out of here. Card will go back here. That's the place for it, because then I don't have to worry about constantly pulling it in and out or flipping my wallet up like this. So this is perfect for me to just tap and go. Since that's back there, I can place my Target gift card right here. Fits perfectly. And I have a total of, I should have counted, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a total of 9 cards and 1 gate card. I have more cards than me. I do have a few more cards, but I'm not going to overstuff this wallet because I don't need to. Everything I will carry in this particular wallet. So what I did was I brought out one of my small bags. My Gucci. My son wants my Gucci, and I was thinking of giving it to him because of the fact that I want the bum bag. So I feel like if I get the Louis Vuitton bum bag, I don't need both bum bags. So I don't know. I'm thinking about giving it to you, Michelle. So give me a minute. But I thought I had tissue paper in this. Can fit. Like I said, this is how I would carry it and throw my wallet. I mean, I would throw my iPhone, a lip gloss, and then that's it. I mean, of course I can fit more. I'm not sure what else I would put in here because I didn't bring everything out, but that my small wallet can fit. And as you can see, I have a lot of room left over. Stuff like I probably could put I don't know, I just can put more stuff in here. Like I had my face mask, a mirror, what else? And I don't know what else you all, to be honest, but to do a really quick unboxing. If this go bye-bye out of my collection, I will let y'all know. Son wants it really bad, and I don't know, I'm just that mom that if I got it, I don't mind sharing. Well, I wouldn't share with him. I would just give him. Like, if I miss it that bad, I'll just get another one. Because I wear it, but I don't wear it like that. And I know he will enjoy it a lot more than I do. Because I done purchased, like, so many new bags that I probably wouldn't wear this as much. But, y'all, I do love this bum bag. I still recommend this here bum bag to anybody. So, yeah, I do love this bum bag. And, y'all, so happy I got this here little thing. This is just too cute. Now, since I have a few things, like I have my graceful, and then I have a new bag. I'm not going to speak on the new bag because I'm not sure which video is going to go up. All 3 of those items needs to be hot stamped. So I am looking, since I have a essay, I can just text and say, hey, what's a good time I can bring my items in to get hot stamped, because I think you have to leave it there. I don't know why I thought you can get it done the same day. I'll probably just drop everything off, like all the little items, and then have her ship everything back to me. And if I do get this hot stamp, I'll probably just get the letter T at the top, or my first and last name, not sure. So to all of that, y'all, but y'all know I just like to talk here on my channel, y'all. That's what I like to do. I love this here wallet. I know y'all gonna be like, okay, Tamika, I ain't even ever look that way. Now I'm on Louis Vuitton website about to buy it. I know, y'all. I know. Like I told you, if I'm in trouble, we all gonna be in trouble on this channel. Said you all, I give this wallet 2 thumbs up. I will do a updated review on this particular wallet because, like I said, I am in love with her. Like I am. I was looking to get the damier print, but this is fine because I like the fact that, like, the dark leather. So with that being said, you all, if you like this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and my notification bell so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.